Chen tadeng udip ilu cenaa awang deman. Chen tepun leh abe anak su leh muri uban. Tanah adat tanah kanan neyak tepelu milu. Oko mitakan penguman nak udip milu singget tau singget sean. Inau ko ilu nengayat keteto betobo ngalidong nyakalong tanah adat tanah kanan. Chen dalam atai me petu sangan.
It was a teenage wedding, and old folks wished them well. You could see that Patty did truly love Madame Moshel. And the young Moshel and Madame have rung the chapel bell. Oches la vie, says the old fox, it goes to show you never can tell. '77, '78, I was in college. Since then, I stayed put in Bao because after that, I got married to Brayu people here. So my first posting was in Bao, SMK Bao. Yeah, that's how I stayed here in Bao, yeah, until now. I enjoy teaching. Then towards the end of my career, then I was always invited to play overseas, like in Kuala Lumpur or in other countries for 1 or 2 weeks. So I feel very guilty at first, leaving them alone. Yeah, so I am playing Sape here and there. Towards the end, I make a decision, discuss with my late wife. So I retired earlier from teaching. I remember when I was young in the village, and my Long Simyang is my long house up in the Upper Baram. The only music in the 70s in the village, we only have Sape only. Sape music, the old people will play music. To start the day, they play music early in the morning, as somewhat like an alarm clock for us to wake up. Our parents will start to prepare food for us to go to the garden, So that's how I begin to love Sape. It wakes me up and then make use of ada semangat lah, untuk menghadapi that day. Normally, after hard day work in the evening, he will start to play Sape in the veranda, Then we come and sit down with the small pelita lamp, sit down around. Then he start to play and then we listen to him. And some of us who are good in dancing, they start to dance. Right? So that's how we learn or remember the tune of the Sape. Sape in the olden days, the Dukun people, they play Sape to cure people from sickness. Of course, that uncle who knows how to play, he never asked us to touch his Sape, So how we play. So this uncle, all those who are good in playing Sape, they will keep the Sape very high up at the wall in their room. So we people who are naughty kids like me, I will get hold of the Sape, climb and start to play. So that's how I learned the Sape from these old people. They don't tell you like this you hold, like this you play now. When my father passed away, somehow I have that feeling I must make one Sape in this workshop. I will go to get the wood. Here, very nearby, I can get my own wood. I am still using the legend wood called Adao wood. Adao, yeah? So this wood is very well known in the olden days for making sape. So cut it into block of wood, yeah, measurement, yeah, then I can carry it to the house. So then dry it wood, the block of wood for some time, and then get the measurement, got the tapering I have, the tapering to make the shape of the sape, yeah. Then using the X or the parang, to make the shape, following the tapering that I have. Then the other back here, we make the hole. It takes time, Then with the help of grinder, sandpaper, and so on, quite fast, But the fix the string, the fret, Then now people all prefer the pickup to be fixed, so fix the pickup for them, the volume, and so on. People like my sape, so I begin to realize more. Tahun culture getting popular, So this is the chance for me to spread out my culture to other people through my music sape. As I go on, people invited me to play in big function like a Rainforest Music Festival, for instance. I feel very honorable because they put the trust on me to play the sape, and you can invite people from the village. So I invited many of these well-known sape players from the village, from the Baram area, from Belaga area like the Hasang and Tengit. Then now is young one, they like Jimbau Balan, and my nephew in Baram is Solomon Gao, etc. So many of them. Tourism played a very important part in promoting our culture, especially the sape. Whenever they do promotion in overseas, they will include sape. So that helps a lot in promoting our culture. That's how these people know the small tribe of Orang Ulu Kenyah from this sape. When we play sape, you hear the music. It touches the heart of the people, and when they listen to the tune, they think of the nature, they think of the river, they think of the jungle, the raindrops. So it has that connection, big connection, sape music with nature, our nature.